What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going to get a quick haircut. My cousin Bernard is getting married in San Diego on the 2nd. And Sarah, me, and Rachel, and a ton of our family is actually flying out there for the wedding. So I'm super pumped about that. The first video of 2020 is going to be in San Diego, so that'll be pretty cool. I also got an update on the 2020 Gladiator that I just bought, and obviously I'm not in it. So I got a quick update on that for you guys. And yeah, stay tuned. Let's go. My wife's car never has any gas in it. Look at that. I don't know how that always happens. Every time I get in her car, there's no gas. It actually snowed kind of a decent amount. That's why I'm so mad I don't have the Jeep. I wanted to turn off traction control and see if it can do some donuts. Look at that. That would have been perfect, actually. It's an old Best Buy right by my house. Shut down. But yeah, so the Gladiator is no more, at least for now, but we'll see. So before we talk about the Jeep, let's talk a little bit about what's in store for 2020. I have a few goals set in mind that I want to try and achieve in 2020, and I want to bring you guys along to see how we can get there together. The first goal of 2020 is going to be to buy a investment property, something that we can rent out. I eventually want to get to a point where I have multiple rental properties, and I'm able to obviously rent those out and generate income from them every month. And I'm going to bring you guys along during that journey in the process of what it takes to be able to get that, and kind of go through that process with you guys. The business that I'm in actually goes kind of hand in hand with real estate and properties. So if our guys, for example, aren't busy on a specific day, I can send them to one of the investment properties and have them either touch up some paint, clean the outside of it, make sure all the garbage is taken out, the snow is shoveled, all the maintenance stuff, the kind of day-to-day stuff would go perfectly, because we have the manpower, so why not put it to good use, you know? So I always thought that that would be a good idea. And yeah, I want to share this experience with you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned. So that's the first goal of 2020, is to be able to get an income property. My second goal for 2020 is to pay down some debt. I'm going to go into a little bit about how much the Jeep costs, what the monthly payment is, insurance costs, fuel, all that kind of stuff. So I think that would be interesting to kind of try and pay off some debt and go from there. I definitely did not buy the Jeep in cash, so there is a loan on it, and I'd like to make that go away as soon as possible. So yeah, I want to bring you guys along for that. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up. Also, if you are subscribed, make sure you turn on the bell notification, so every time I post, you guys can get like a notification on your phone or whatever to say, hey, I just posted a new video, go check it out. So my third goal for 2020 is to post on YouTube more regularly. I want to really hit YouTube hard in 2020 and upload at least 2 or 3 times a week, and really have more of a schedule set, not just uploading randomly. One, I want to do that because that's a personal goal of mine. 2, I want to be able to tell you guys I'm uploading on Tuesday at 3 o'clock, for example. So you guys know every Tuesday at 3 o'clock, you should expect a video from me. Alright, so I just got my hair cut, looking crispy, boom, boom. So, let's talk about what happened in my Jeep. So I'm driving home from work, or no, I'm driving to the office on Friday morning. And I turn my car on, everything's fine. I'm driving and this light comes on the dash and it says service axle locker system. So I'm like, okay, the car is driving normally. I'll just call the dealership and see what they can do about it. So I go ahead and call them, and they say they can't see me for another week and a half because they're all booked. So I'm thinking this can't be good for the car. So I tell the lady, I was like, is there any way I can be told that this isn't bad for the car to continue to drive it this way? She tells me that a service representative will call me back shortly. So I give it like a few hours and nobody calls me. And I decide to go there after work and just stop by and kind of see, or show them what's going on and see what they think. And they give me a loaner car and take a look at it. And then Saturday I get a text from the dealership saying that they checked out the car and it was a wiring harness that was loose, and they had tightened it and test drove the car and everything was good to go. So they told me I could go ahead and pick it up. So I go to the dealership, pick it up, drive it to my parents-in-law's house, and everything seems to be okay. The car's driving fine, no lights, no nothing. The very next day it happens again, and I go back to the dealership, and this time I didn't get a loaner car, so they just gave me a ride home. But that's what's going on with the Jeep. So I currently do not have it, and yeah, I'll update you guys as soon as I get it back. And I hope it's something that's like a silly fix. It's not something that's going to take weeks or whatever to fix. Luckily, I am going to San Diego for my cousin's wedding, so I'll be out of town for a few days. So hopefully it'll all get cleared up while I'm out of town. But yeah, like I said, I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so I haven't had my coffee this morning yet, so let's grab some.
How can I help you?
Yeah, hi, can I please get a medium hot coffee with cream and sugar?
Okay.
A medium strawberry banana smoothie? And another small coffee with cream and sugar, please?
Small hot coffee with cream and sugar and a medium strawberry banana smoothie, right?
Yep.
Okay.
That's it. Alright, so let's see how Stradman fills up so fast. That was so much easier to just fill up gas that quick. Thanks, Stradman. Alright, you guys, so I just got back home. I'm going to be unboxing a GoPro Hero 8. I'm going to take it with me on my trip to San Diego to see if I can get some like cool shots. Alright, so there you have it. There's the camera, the battery, a like mounting bracket, and the charging cable. Alright, you guys, so there it is. That's the final video of 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I just want to say God bless you guys, and I hope you have a very happy new year. Make sure you guys stay safe, and I'll see you guys in 2020 and in San Diego.